So we've just arrived in the Seychelles. There's the view. Proper sun-kissed beach. What do you think?
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Gorgeous.
Right, so we're on our way to Victoria, capital of the Seychelles. There's one of the blue buses, you see them everywhere. There's the clock tower. It's just so hot, but billions of fish in there, little ones. There's Angela walking off. She collects seashells in the Seychelles. Have we got many?
Yeah, well, I've got some over.
Oh, but we just stopped because we've seen some more of those gorgeous rocks. Look, Angela described it as being like the Bounty advert. Perfect, isn't it? Right, we're heading down this little alleyway towards a famous market. Ah, this is the life. So we're in, 100 rupees each. I tell you what, it's hot. This is the cocoa de Mahe, the biggest seeds in the plant world. Right, so this is the withering section. From Sri Lanka, little museum-y bit. So that's what tea leaves look like. So we're in a tea shop, part of the factory complex.
Nice.
Well, we've just come into some, what is it called?
I don't know.
The EPHELIA or something? Right, so our last day in the Seychelles. It's a bit overcast, a bit cooler today, thankfully. So we're in a spice garden.
Hello.
You dirty tortoise. Peace has descended upon the tortoise compound. The lipstick tree, I don't know why. Found that there's like little pods or something inside, and obviously you can draw. It's our last night in the Seychelles, and we're going to PERLE Noire. It's snapper, delicious. So it's goodbye from the Seychelles.